Welcome! In this video, you'll learn how to block location permissions on Chrome for mobile completely updated for this year. If you're someone who values privacy and wants to keep control over what websites can access your location, this quick guide is exactly what you need. Let's get started. First, open the Chrome app on your mobile device. This is where all your browsing happens, so we'll begin right here. Once the app is open, look toward the top right corner of your screen. You'll see 3 vertical dots. That's your menu button. Go ahead and tap it. From that menu, scroll down and select Settings. This is where Chrome stores all the customization and privacy options available for your browser. Once you're inside the settings page, scroll until you find Site Settings. Tap on it. These settings allow you to control how websites interact with your device, from notifications to media access, and yes, your location. Next, look for the option labeled Location. Tap on it to open the location permission settings. Here, you'll see whether location access is currently allowed or blocked. To stop Chrome from sharing your location with websites, simply toggle off the location switch. When it's turned off, Chrome will no longer ask for or automatically share your device's location with any site you visit.